we've got a demonstration of smart handoffs here using the Earth Data Search client to Giovanni. Concept of smart handoff is that we retain the user context between applications. That would, in this case, mean that we retain maybe the spatial and temporal information and the collection and the granule information between Earth Data Search client and Giovanni. So what we've done already is navigated to one particular collection. If we click on that collection, we can see that we have a listing of granules. So there's 169 granules here. If we were, for example, to draw a rectangle roundabout part of the map, what will happen here is we'll reload the granules and we're able to click on a particular granule here, which brings up the temporal constraints. We now have also the spatial constraints which have been applied into our query. And if you look at this addition to the interface, the three dots, it prompts us now to open the collection in Giovanni. The idea here for PODAC is that if we were to navigate to an oceanography dataset provided by PODAC, that we would have SOTO, maybe L2SS, state of the ocean, next product, developed by PODAC, that these would be provided as essentially context-aware hyperlinks, which enable us to transfer the user context over to the applications at PODAC. But in this case, we'll transfer over to Giovanni. You may be prompted, if you want to try this, at this point in time, you may be prompted to log in. Essentially, see here is that the bounding box has been pre-populated here. And we have a number of matching variables which already enabled us to do some down selection. We can then go and select the variables which are available for these the spatial constraints. In this case, just now, the temporal constraints are not being populated through. However, you get the idea. Hopefully that gives you an idea in a nutshell about what smart handoffs are. We're going to be taking this a lot further in the next while, and I'm looking forward to integrating, starting with SOTO at PODAC, looking forward to integrating many more of the data services that we have at PODAC.